Hello, my name is Brian. Today I'm going to talk about freedom of speech, religion, and the press. Why is this really important? Well, firstly, I would like to start with the laws. Why laws are important in a country? Well, the laws establish duties and rights for all citizens equally, so that social coexistence is possible. Now, what about freedom of expressions? Well, in my personal opinion and based on what I found, freedom of expression implies being able to communicate and express ourselves freely, a fundamental right to live in a fair and open society in which justice can be accessed and human rights enjoyed. Besides that, we have religion. Why religion is important in a country, in a society? Well, freedom of religion and belief contributes to the promotion of dignity of all human beings as well as to a culture of peace, tolerance, and coexistence. That's why religion is important in a country and for humans. And finally, we have press. Press freedom is key to strengthening democracy, promoting plurality of voices in human rights. That's why a few years ago, on the Article 19 of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, already recognizes freedom of opinion and expression as a fundamental human right. So that's why the one that we mentioned at the beginning, freedom of expression, freedom of religion, press freedom, are important in a society. Thank you so much for watching the video.